here. Yeah. Look at the water. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, that's what a lot of people say. Right until it gets all messy. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. Look how sparkly it is and everything. Whoa. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you guys want to put your feet in it and want to go in it? I kind of am okay. Suit yourself. Okay, suit yourself. Yay! This is so fun. This is so fun. It's just so fun. Oh. That's good. I just got changed. You're lucky you got changed. Let's go home now. Finally at the beach. Well, come on, let's stay a little longer. Well, nah, I'm good.